This is a quick tutorial on how the Pact network supply agent mastery works. The first thing that you're going to need is you're going to have to get 6 mastery points. This is actually pretty trivial if you're very new, because there are mastery insights that are available that are just sitting there on maps for you to collect. I'm navigating here to show you where they are in the achievement panel under General. And it lists the area as well as kind of a region. So for example, there is a red mastery point right about there. So you're just looking for, it'll look gray, but you're just looking for map masteries on the map, and it'll turn red once you collect it. You'll also have to level up your experience a bit to unlock them as well. You just have to do events in the maps for it. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to get to the Pact network supply agents themselves. So if you just type /wiki Pact network supply agent, it will come up as a top result. And you copy the codes below the locations, and the highlighted line are the active vendors at the time. And then if you paste them in there, the links will resolve into actual waypoints that you can just click and teleport to. In this example, we're going to go over there in Ascalon. So the Pact network supply agent is the bigger gold coins stacked on top of each other. This is contrasted with other vendors that have the smaller symbol, so they're very easy and quick to find on the map. And this is just showing you exactly what to buy. It's in the middle there. So if you type /wiki MBRP, it will give you the link to the map bonus reward profit. And it will show you the bonus rewards for each map on a weekly rotation. So this is week 4. We're on week 4. And this is the total gold for turning in 40 of these maps on a given map this week. So the one you would want to do this week is Malcor's Leap. And it looks like the best one right now is actually Fireheart Rise. And while we're looking at these, I'll just explain quickly that you have a couple options. Instead of waiting till the week and getting the resource now, if you happen to have it, you can sell it ahead of time and then turn in your maps on the week. And that's something that I do a lot, because usually the value of the map tanks a little bit that the week starts on. That's something that you can do. And if I had less storage space, let's say that for some reason this Fireheart Rise was the best one, and it said it, it gave 22 gold, but it had 44 vial of powerful blood. If I didn't have extra storage space, I'd probably still do week 8, because it would still fit in the base amount of materials that an account could normally store. So free-to-play players, it might make sense to do the maps with fewer resources and more raw gold if you don't think your inventory can handle all of the resources from this. Like if you don't have an extra 300 vial of powerful blood to sell the week before. I hope that made sense. And so that's basically what you do. It's a bit of a waiting game, a bit of a daily thing, because you have to teleport to 6 different places every day. But it's totally worth it. I get tons of gold when I do it. And then once you have... So what I would do to get this week's rewards is I would teleport onto Malcor's Leap over here in Ore. And then once I was on the map... I would just go and I would consume 40 at a time. You're going to be saving up a lot of these and using them kind of all at once on the favorable week. That's basically the long and the short of it.